Hey everybody, it's Christina. I am on sled number 4. I might actually get all 5 done. We'll see. I'm going to be taking my ink chalk paint by Waverly, and I'm going to be painting my sled. Probably the inside here and here with the Waverly ink chalk paint. And then I'm going to take this metallic paint and paint that on the, the thingies. I can't think of what they're called. The little slidey things when you slide down the hill. So I'm gonna go ahead and get that done and I will be right back. Okay, so while this does not look very good right now, I got the black on there. It's kind of hard to paint the black around without getting it on like kind of all over. So I'm gonna take my silver and I'm gonna take a much smaller brush to try, whoops, that was way too much. And I'm gonna try to get around it a little bit better to make it look nicer. So by using the smaller brush. Okay, I have it all painted. I think that silver really looks nice on there. And then what I'm gonna do on the black here is I'm just gonna take my little sponge brush that I got from Dollar Tree and I'm just gonna kind of mute the black out a little bit. So just by taking the sandpaper on there, it just kind of takes the sharp edge of the black away. So, okay, then I got these little ornaments from Walmart actually, and I just thought they were super cute. So I'm gonna take this Let It Snow one and I'm gonna put this on my sled. Okay, I got my hot glue gun heated up here. I've just been kind of sitting here waiting for my glue gun to heat up and trying to figure out exactly what I'm gonna put on this sled. So I am going to stick a little hot glue on here and put that in the middle of my sled here. And then even though this ribbon might be a little much because there's the little checkered bow on there, I think I'm going to make a bow out of this ribbon. I got this ribbon from Dollar Tree. Okay, so I have my bow done. It is not the prettiest thing ever. I'm not gonna lie. It didn't turn out the greatest, but I'm just gonna go with it because I don't like wasting ribbon. I don't like wasting anything, to tell you the truth. I try to use everything that I can, even if I wreck it. So I'm gonna put that bow right on here, and then I'm thinking, oh, I got my TV on yet. Sorry about that. I'm gonna stick a little bit of hot glue and kind of scrunch the ribbon up a little bit. Let's see how this works out. All right, so I'm just gonna stick a little bit on here, and then I think maybe a little bit just in the corner here. I hope it works out because I don't want to put hot glue on here and then it looks dumb. Alright, and then I think I'm just gonna stick this a little bit up here on the side. Just on this one side here. I don't know. I guess it looks okay. So I have some of this twine that I got from Dollar Tree, and I am just gonna stick this on the top of that. So just stick it in there and make a couple knots so it doesn't poke through or it doesn't come through. Okay, it is all finished. That is all I'm gonna do to it. I thought about putting a little fake snow on there, but I think I kind of like it just like this, just kind of simple and elegant. So that is number 4. I got one more left to do. I just want to say thanks for watching. I really hope you subscribe and hit the bell, get notified when I upload. And that's it. Thanks for watching again. Take care. Bye.